everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using toothpaste and tomato. Okay, the next ingredient I'm going to be using, that's the toothpaste that I just finished talking about. I'm going to be using Colgate toothpaste. Okay, the next ingredient I'm going to be using in this regimen is tomato. I'm just going to be cutting up a tiny bit of this tomato. Tomato will definitely brighten your skin. It has antioxidants in it. It has vitamin C, vitamin A, and these are all very useful for, for your skin. They will help remove blemishes. They will reduce oil, from your skin. If you suffer from too much oil on your skin, it will help you reduce it. It will reduce blackheads. It will tighten skin pores. It is an anti-aging, it has anti-aging ingredients in it that will help, with reducing the signs of aging lines and fine lines. It will make your skin supple. It will also treat sunburns on your skin. And to cut it down, to wrap it up, it will brighten your skin, make your skin look, bright and light. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of my tomato because I don't want to use too much. So I'm using just a little bit of my tomato. Okay, and I'm going to squeeze it into my bowl. But before I do that, let me just squeeze a little bit of my toothpaste into the bowl also. This is enough because I'm just taking enough for one dosage. So I'm only using it for this one dosage. Okay, so what I want to do is to squeeze the tomato juice into the bowl, which is what I need. Just the tomato juice is what I need. Okay, so I don't even need to blend it, but I'm just gonna squeeze the juice along with my into the bowl. Okay, so the rest of it, let me put more juice. Okay, so I have enough right there. Okay, so I'm going to put the rest away. So what I want to do now is to mix everything together. I'm going to use my red fork to mix everything together. You want to make sure that you mix the tomato along with the toothpaste. Okay, this is the outcome. This is the final result right here. And this final result is what I'm going to now apply to my face and keep on my face for 20 minutes. Allow it 20 to 30 minutes. We actually work. Allow it to work and penetrate onto my skin. And the tomato will also close up all the unnecessary pores that are open on your skin. So it's something you can use. If you use this for a whole week, for like 7 days, you will see a big difference on your skin. You will see a magical difference. So if you have any dark spots on your face, you will see it lighten up. Okay, all right, so this is the solution right here to remove unnecessary fine lines, unnecessary darkness, dark spots, and this will perform magical. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my finger to apply this to my face and leave it on for 30 minutes. I need it to be on for 30 minutes. So I usually treat the back of my hand along with my face because those, wrinkles are easily visible at the back of any aging person's hand also. So I treat my hand just as I treat my face. So subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share this video with everyone. Thank you.